Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites: Vysor on your computer and the Vysor app on the phone, both on the same Wi-Fi. Once done, open Developer Options on the device. You will not toggle USB debugging. Instead, make sure you can run an ADB command on the PC. Use one temporary USB connection just to run a DB TCPIP 5555, then unplug. This step opens the device for a wireless connection without leaving USB debugging. Next, find the phone's IP address in Wi-Fi details or status so you can target it. Once you have the IP, on your PC run a DB Connect IP 5555. You should see a connected message. If you prefer a GUI, Vysor also lists network devices. Click Find Devices and refresh. Make sure the phone and PC remain on the same network, otherwise the connection will fail. After Vysor detects the device, click to start mirroring and grant any prompts on your phone. To finish, confirm the mirror is responsive, and then, when finished, run a DB disconnect to close the wireless session. If you run into trouble, restart the ADB server with a DB kill server, then a DB start server. This clears stale sessions. Also verify your firewall or router is not blocking port 5555 and that wireless isolation is off so devices can see each other. If prompts appear on the phone, accept them. Doing so secures the connection without leaving USB debugging turned on permanently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.